Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. I'm here with a brand new signal of the day, and today's signal is going to be on EURUSD. So with no more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Let's go. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, what I currently understand from all of this is that the overall movement of this currency is going to be a positive movement through the next 2 days, and at the end it's going to be a negative movement to the downside, and the overall impact through the Monday, Wednesday and Thursday is going to be a bearish impact, and the overall forecasting points show that the bearish momentum in the market is going to take over, and you're going to end up with 2 negative points for the forecast of it. But as you all know me, I don't believe in news, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. As always, the red zone is going to be a resistance to the current price, but it is going to act like a support for our trade, and we're gonna set our stop loss based on this area. The blue zone is our trading area because it is made out of 2 semi-equal highs that are going to be taken in the next 2 or 1 day, and when they are taken, we hopefully hope for this resistance to be powerful enough to push back the price below the blue area again, so it can make a really strong resistance out of itself, and then the blue area itself will push the price down to the green area. And the green area is a really strong support made by 2 equal highs which are not passed after they are taken from the upside, which actually makes a great support out of it. And that's pretty much it. What I want from you now is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful signal, I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a good time and peace.